Try this lemon water with Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Salt that's so refreshing. I can't wait. It looks delicious and naturally refreshing. You're right. This is so good.
Welcome. Today I'm using Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Fine Salt. It's rich in minerals and enhances flavor. It supports digestion, hydration and overall wellness. A healthier choice for your kitchen. Este es Dr. Abdul Sal Rosa del Himalaya. Es pura y natural.
Ah, sí. ¿Y qué beneficios tiene?
Ayuda a la digestión, la presión y la energía.
Qué bien. Mis hijos también pueden tomarla.
Sí, es ideal para toda la familia.
Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Salt. Every crystal reflects nature's purity, quality and authenticity.
It's very pure.
We are committed to delivering trusted products from Khewra to customers around the world for every kitchen.
For our kitchen, Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Salt from the world-famous Khewra mines. Naturally pure, unrefined, and packed with care. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors. Need of every kitchen in the world.
Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Fine Salt is the secret to my kitchen. It's 100% pure and natural with a fine grain size of Torah 5. No additives, gluten-free, and packed with essential minerals. Experience the pure gift to the world. Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Salt from the world-famous Khewra mines. Naturally pure, unrefined, and packed with care. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors. Need of every kitchen in the world. This is Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Salt. It's rich in minerals and...
To know.
Yes, it helps with hydration and muscle recovery too.
Perfect, I'll take it.
Great choice. Let's head to checkout. This is our Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Fine Salt. Oh, interesting. Tell me more. It's 100% pure and rich in minerals. It enhances flavor and is great for healthy cooking. That sounds wonderful. I'll take one. Excellent choice. Here you go. Dr. Abdul Pink Himalayan Fine Salt. Pure and natural. It's the best. Rich in minerals for your health. It balances and detoxes, brings you wealth. Cooking with joy. Dr. Abdul Pink.